guys, it's Kelly from the Children's Museum, and I'm here to show you how to make some bubble wands out of sticks. These are to make really big, really amazing, cool bubbles. So I have my 2 sticks. I also have some string or yarn, and I grabbed a couple things to decorate them. You could maybe see what you have around your house to make your bubble wand special. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put my sticks down on the table about maybe a foot apart, but you could play around with it, and then take my yarn and cut 2 pieces. One short that just goes straight across, and then one long that's a loop like that, or like a big U shape. So I already did that ahead of time, and here's my short string. I'm gonna start with that one and tie it to the top of my sticks. Okay, I've tied my shorter string on. Now I'm ready for the longer string. Now, if you have a metal washer at your house, this is something that's totally optional, so I didn't include it in our supplies, but if you wanted to add something onto your larger string, it can help your bubble wand keep its shape. I found a wooden bead. You just want to think about something that isn't going to disintegrate in your bubble solution. And again, totally optional. So I'm going to tie the end of the longer string onto the shorter string, and I'm not going to tie it onto the stick. I am going to tie this on to the string itself, and that's going to help keep our stick from getting in the way of the bubble shapes when we dip it in the solution. So we want it to be its own shape. And voila! I have my bubble wand, and let's see if we can add some flair. All right, I've decorated my bubble wand. It looks pretty fun and exciting. Feeling pretty good about it. So let's see how it works.